Hey everybody, I have another haul video for you. I wanted to share with you guys the Vintage Floral collection. I don't think there's like stickers and flowers and stuff. I think it's mainly just paper, but the paper is super gorgeous. Even with the foil in there, I am in love with it. But before I go on with the haul, I do want to say that I am trying to be more active over on my Instagram, so I will have a link down below. I do share I do share projects on there, but I'm going to try to do more Insta stories and more sneak peeks and different things like that. So if you're on Instagram, find me, and if you ever, make a project inspired by something that I've created, I would love for you to tag me on Facebook, Instagram, email me, message me. I have tons of people, well, not tons, but I do have people emailing me. You can find my email over on the About section here on YouTube. So I honestly love being inspired by you guys. Sometimes I get in these little creative ruts and someone will message me out of the blue or tag me in something that they've created, and it inspires me. I'm being truthfully honest with you guys. I am inspired by every single one of you, and every time that I see projects and different things, I love that we can all inspire each other, I guess is kind of what I'm getting at. All right. Rambling over, I did want to say too that I, again, got this on Tuesday morning, I think. Yes. And it shipped out that same day, and now it's Thursday and I have it. So I do live in Nevada, and Arizona to Nevada shipping is super fast. But I mean, same day shipping, like, I don't know if it's always like that. Or, well, I know it's not always like that, but yeah, it's just, I love scrapbook.com. So I, excuse me, I wanted to show I got a free gelatos, and me and gelatos don't get along very well, so we'll see if I end up using this at some point. And then also this little stamp here is a freebie as well. You have to add it to your cart, and it's just $0, like there's no charge for it. So it's super cute. I'm gonna open this stuff up, and then I will be right back. All right, so 2 freebies, super cute. Oh, and it comes with a die. How cute. Super cute. I didn't know that it had a die on there. Oh, 1 die, 1 stamp. I just saw that it was free and I picked it up, to be honest. It's so cute. All right, anyway, so those out of the way. I wanted to show you guys too that I love scrapbook.com because they always package everything so nicely. I think I already said that, but they always put like cardboard or something for your paper so it doesn't bend, and yeah, protects it. So this is the paper, and this is the Vintage Floral collection. So I just want to show you guys. For the most part, everybody liked my haul video yesterday, but it will be a couple days once you guys see this, because this one will be going up tomorrow. Got the script, and these I think only come in single sheets. This has, it's like really nice mixed media starter page here. Then this one, which I'll most likely be using this side. So that is those 2. Or 1, but both sides, I should say. And then this one. All that foil on there again. Not the hugest fan of the foil, but I do like the other side. So really nice. And I will have all of the links down below. And this one, super pretty. Oh, it does have foil. like, there's no foil on this one, but it's just a little bit of script, and I'll most likely be cutting these out anyways. Super gorgeous. And then the back. I think I might have to pick up some more. So there's the blues, the pinks, and then now there's like a purple. So it's little tiny flowers with the foil, and then more like letters and postcards. Really fun. And then this one. And the back. So again, I love this paper collection. I mainly love the florals. So like the pink ones here, and then the blues here. So gorgeous. All right, then I picked up the, oh, so this is supposed to be for a traveler's journal. Anyways, I love these because, which I didn't notice, but let me take these out actually. Okay, so they are a little bit glossy, which I'm not the hugest fan of. I hope I don't come off as complaining, because I'm not complaining. I'm just sharing my thoughts and what I like. So instead of it being a full like white edge around, which most die cuts are, it has like a little bit of script on there, kind of peeking out onto the whiter, the outer part. I don't think that you guys can see it, but it's really pretty, and I love all of these florals. Definitely gonna have to get another pack of these, probably a couple packs, because the colors in here can be used in with so many different collections and in so many different projects. So super gorgeous, and I'm glad that there's 2 of each. So really, really pretty. And there's no foil. So nice. All right. Yeah, I thought there was another something. All right, I got the Ephemera pack as well, and I'll show you guys up close. I'm not gonna take all of these out because I'll probably end up losing them. You guys can see those. So there's acetate shapes, which I love when they do that, and then paper. I think a lot of the same type of designs, and like with the little clocks and the florals and butterflies and different things, just suited to this collection. So really cool. Oh, the acetate pieces are here. Definitely gonna have to get another pack of these just because of the acetate pieces. I love them. All right, next is I got this Crafters Workshop stencil. I don't do many Valentine's projects, but I just thought it was super cute. And then I have been seeing this a lot, and then I saw, I don't know whose project it was at Creativation in a video, that I just had to pick it up. So I think it was this one actually. I think the card was at Creativation. So super pretty. I love it. And what's her name? Stephanie Lowe. She has a ton of different things coming out, or are out, I should say, like all of these different things. I think she is the designer for these. Definitely looks like her style. So can't wait to pick those up. All right, I picked up this Thinking of You die from Altenew. Super big. I thought it would be really nice just to make a simple card. And I have been wanting this stamp set since it came out. I just always ended up putting it back, and did I really want it? But I decided to go for it and get it. Pineapple is super cute with the florals, and then you can layer it. So yeah. And then I decided to pick this one up as well. I figured this would be really cool, like stamped in Versamark and embossed with like clear or white, and did some watercoloring or something. Again, from Altenew, really big. And you can also kind of, you know, do your own thing there. Stamp out some of them or color in some of them with stamping if you wanted to do that as well. So again, I will have all of the links in the description box below. I don't think I'll have a blog post, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, share this video on social media, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!